Do you want to know if the Focal Shopify theme is right for your e-commerce shop? You're in the right place because in the next few minutes, I'm going to do a Focal Shopify theme review. My name is Elise Nelson and I help tech challenge makers build a profitable e-commerce brand. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel where I offer lessons that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. In this short video, I'm going to share with you all about the best Shopify theme, Focal. Before we jump into this maker lesson, I'd love to know what you're looking for in a theme for your website. Leave a comment and let me know. And if you haven't checked out my video all about website theme comparisons, go ahead and go back and watch that as well. There'll be a link in the description of this video to this entire playlist. In this video, we're going to be going over 3 reasons why I like the Focal Shopify theme the absolute best. Number 1 is that it helps you work with the psychology of the shopper, or what I like to call the shopper mindset. How does it do this? Number 1, it draws attention to the shop button on desktop without overcomplicating the mobile menu. And I go over this in detail. I show you examples in my video all about the website theme comparison, but suffice it to say, it makes it easy for you to have a call to action in your header and keep your mobile menu as simple as possible. Second, it helps you work with the psychology of the shopper by improving recognition of your brand to build trust and ultimately sales. It does this by having a sticky menu and the logo in the header and footer. Third, the call to actions and or buttons, those are the same thing, can be put throughout all of your pages. And this is accomplished because the Focal theme has custom HTML in a drag and drop editor. So it makes it easy for you to add buttons wherever you want. I again went over this in the video all about theme customization. And then it also helps you walk your customer down the path to purchase because on the product page, the You May Also Like is high on the page, just below the add to cart buttons, which means that every time someone comes to your product page, if they scroll just a tiny bit, they will see a picture with other items that they may be interested in. This can help increase your average order value, and it can help you keep customers who might have left your site because they landed on a product page that didn't have what was exactly right for them. And then it also helps you walk your customer down the path to purchase with the drawer cart with easy upsells. In the cart itself, which does not require an additional page load, it includes the You May Also Like and the left to free shipping. Again, these features are all demonstrated in my other video in this playlist about the website theme comparison. So go check that out. The link to the playlist will be in the description of this video. Now, before we jump into the rest of the lesson, please like this video and comment shopper mindset if you understand the importance of walking your customer down the path to purchase. Also, be sure to stick with me to the end of the video to learn your challenge for today and implement what you have learned. The second thing that I love about the Focal theme is that it eliminates custom coding and a lot of plugins. So these are the things that are important to having on your theme that the Focal theme takes care of. Number 1, it improves site speed. It also reduces the risk of issues with plugins fighting with each other because all of those features that you could be adding with apps, plugins, and coding is done right there in the theme and it's ready and for you to use. If you want more help with your e-commerce brand, be sure to subscribe and sign up for notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. And then my third reason why I absolutely love the Focal theme on Shopify is because of the theme support. They have a policy that they have 24 hours to respond to your email. And I've had to reach out to them 2 times since I've had the Focal theme. And both times I got a response within 24 hours during working days. I think they're off on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday or something like that. So I think it's 4 days a week that within 24 hours you'll get a response, which I think is pretty awesome. Here's what my experiences were. The first time I reached out to them was one of the features was not working and I couldn't figure out how to make it work properly. So I contacted them. And what it turned out to be was that part of the coding, the basic Shopify coding, had been erased by another plugin. And they actually went into my theme, went through all the coding to figure out why that feature wasn't working, and then told me how to restore it so that the plugin would work properly. But they didn't want to do it themselves because they didn't want to mess up my other plugin. But when I restored it, both of the plugins actually worked perfectly. So I thought that was an amazing feature for them to go in and look through my coding to figure out what's causing the problem. And I was very impressed with that. That alone, them figuring it out for me and making it easy for me, made it worth the purchase of Focal. The second time that I reached out to the support from the Focal theme was because I wanted to know if a feature was available, and if not, add that feature. Now, unfortunately, the feature that I wanted was not a covered feature, but instead of just telling me, no, we can't do that, they actually gave me referrals to someone who could help me get that implemented on my site. Now, I actually already know the coding to get it done, but I wanted to see what they would do. So ultimately, I ended up doing it myself. But I thought it was really, really great that they gave me a referral to get the help that I needed. And I thought that was, again, a step above what you normally get. So not only will you have the Shopify support that comes with being on Shopify, you would also have the support from the theme developer as well. And so I think that is an amazing feature of Focal, and one of the main reasons why I recommend Focal over any other Shopify theme. Now, today's question was, what are you looking for in a theme for your website? Leave a comment and let me know. If you didn't catch the other video in this series about the website theme comparison and the free download that I have helping you understand what features you need, I highly recommend you check that out. There will be a link in the description of this video to that website theme comparison checklist. Now be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this playlist to learn more about how to build a website for sales. Plus, be sure to download the website theme comparison checklist to determine if the platform or Shopify theme you're considering checks all the boxes. The link is in the description. To get help with your e-commerce website, even if you're tech challenged, be sure to check out the links in the description for my website review call, website building, and strategy sessions. You can also grab my book, Browser versus Buyer, Optimize Your E-commerce Website and Get More Sales. Your challenge for today is to draw attention to your shop button by changing the color, using an emoji, or adding an actual button to your website. Once you've done that, comment and let me know how it went. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because on Wednesday I will be randomly picking one of the comments below, and if you are subscribed to the channel, you will win a free ticket to my social media video challenge that starts on May 9th called the Social Media Growth Challenge. Best of luck to you all. Don't forget to live your dream every single day, and I will see you in the next video.